Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Jackie. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, and I do want to say thank you to Coupert for sponsoring today's video. Coupert is an easy to use browser extension that you can add to your computer, your laptop through Google Chrome. Coupert instantly tests, finds, and applies the best coupon code at checkout at over 60,000 stores worldwide. They have Macy's, they have Target, they have Amazon, they have Walgreens, they have CVS. There's so many stores to choose from. They have over 1.2 million users with an average of 600,000 users a day using their website to save the most money and to get cash back. So I'm going to show you over on the laptop how to download the browser extension, how to activate cashback. I'm going to show you exactly how it will go through multiple coupon codes and coupons to save me the most money. So I'm going to go ahead and hop on over to the computer. If you guys are interested and you like what you see and you like what you hear, there will be a link down in the description box to go ahead and sign up. That'll take you right over to their website so you can also download the browser extension on your laptop or computer. So I opened my Google Chrome. I'm going to type Coupert into the search bar. It's going to be the first one that pops up right here. It does say Coupert.com, and we are on the home page. Right here at the very top, it does say install extension. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. Add to Chrome. It's free, so it costs you absolutely nothing to save money and get cash back. So it's going to take a few seconds. I'm going to add to Chrome, add extension. It's checking to make sure it's legit with over 1,400 reviews and has close to 5 stars. So you can sign up with Apple, you can sign up with Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google. It's going to take a few seconds. So you can try a demo if you want to. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use it. So I'm going to come up here to the left and just click Coupert. It's going to take me to their home screen. So here's some options up here. Here's all stores, how to earn cash back. Right here it's going to show you how to use Coupert with over 6,000 stores. You can test coupons. Then when you complete your purchase, you'll receive cash back. So I'm going to come up here to all stores. Here you can go alphabetically to look for a store that you're interested in shopping at to see if they are offering cash back. I think I accidentally clicked something. Nope. Okay, so we're back to this page right here. At top, it's going to say coupons, cash back, categories, and stores. I'm going to check to see exactly what stores are giving back cash back. So as you guys can see, Kohl's right here, 2.8, Macy's 7.8. What else do they have? Redbox, Walgreens right now is giving back 2.6. Seeing this right here, Ulta's offering back 5.48%, and that's actually where I'm going to go look for a curling iron. I was on the Ulta website earlier actually looking for a curling iron, but since Coupert's going to offer me the best savings and give me cash back on top of that, I'm going to go through Coupert. So I'm just going to show you some more stores. They have Sephora at 1.7, they have Overstock, they have Belk, they have American Eagle. They have a bunch of stores that you can choose from. They have Forever 21. They have Nike at 4.91%. So like I said, if you guys are interested and you like what you see, when I go through checkout right now, there will be a link in the description box where you can sign up. It'll take you directly to their website, and you can also add the extension to your laptop or computer. So I'm going to go to Ulta. I'm going to activate cash back. It's going to take me over to their website. And then right here to the right, something should be popping up right now, letting me know right here that Coupert found some cash back and coupons. I'll go ahead and activate that cash back again on the actual website. And then I'm going to come to the search bar and look for that curling iron. I graduated in 2010, and I got my curling iron when I was a sophomore in high school, so I am way overdue for a new one. And I am going to look for the Hot Tools that I saw earlier when I was just skimming through the app. I believe it was this one right here. I want a bigger wand, so I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to add it to my bag. That's all I was looking for, so I'm going to go ahead and head to checkout. Super easy and quick. I already knew what I wanted. So This is telling me 3. I don't want 3, I want 1. I had 1 for 12 years. I think I'll be good with 1. So at the right here again, it's going to say coupons found. I'm going to go ahead and click apply coupons. So right here, it's going to pop up, and Coupert is going to automatically test all the different coupons to give me the best savings. And right here, it's telling you if you can get double cash back with extra 300 gold for new members. That's nice. And then down here, behind this, you can see the price going up and down as it's trying the different coupon codes. Went from 49 to 39. Tried another one, that one was 46. So there you have it. I just saved $10. Coupert found me the best savings with this code right here. I already activated my 5.2 to 5.6 cash back. I'm going to go ahead and continue to check out. And that is how Coupert works. It will go through all the possible coupon codes, like I said, and it's going to give you the best one to maximize your savings. And on top of that, it's going to give you cash back for items that you are already going to buy. Once you reach $10 in cash back, you can automatically cash out onto your PayPal account. So let's go back to their website. I'm going to go ahead and show you right here where it says withdraw money. So right here it says once your balance is more than 1,000, you can redeem via PayPal or gift cards. 1,000 gold is $10. So that's how much you need to cash out. You can earn 2 times cash back when you do your first order within 30 days. So there you have it, Coupert, free and easy to use, super easy to download. There will be a link in the description box, like I mentioned, if you want to join the 1.2 million people who are already getting the best deals while online shopping for things they were already going to buy, along with getting cash back on top of those amazing savings. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my Sunday's Walgreens video. Thanks.